Hi everyone. Since we all know that parenthood is a very challenging journey, today let's just talk about what one should expect during their first visit to a fertility clinic. So, this is not an easy journey for most of us. Hence, we have our reception team who will be taking care of your basic demographic and details as well as registration. And after which, doctor gets to meet you. And this is the first opportunity that the doctor gets to listen to all your problems. And this is called a history taking session. So, what exactly will the doctor ask you? Doctor will ask you all the details from your menstrual history to your obstetric history, which includes your past pregnancies, your past abortions. Menstrual history includes whether your cycles are regular, whether you have any issues with your cycles, whether you have a lot of pain during your cycles, heavy menstrual bleeding, etc. Your family history in detail, then any of your social habits will be asked for, and also if any past surgeries you've undergone and past IVF treatment or fertility related treatment if the patient has undergone. So this is a very it's a time consuming process. A detailed history will help your doctor chalk out a better plan for you, a personalized approach which is just tailor made only for a particular patient. So history taking should be considered a very serious thing, and the patient should not hide anything, including the past surgeries and past fertility treatments, to the doctor. And always see to that you carry your previous documents, your recent reports, scans, etc., because it will always help us know if anything has gone wrong in the previous treatments. Further history will be collected, includes your sexual history will be asked for if there's any difficulty for intercourse, and also your husband's the male partner history will be collected in detail. Even occupation history will be asked for, nothing to feel bad about, because there are some occupational hazards which can hamper your fertility. So after all this, the doctor will definitely ask you for a few blood tests, like the basic blood tests, and scans will be recommended, and also the semen parameter of the male partner will be assessed. With all this, there'll be a discussion after the reports are ready, and your doctor will give you many options of treatment, and the decision will be made by you. The doctor will help you decide what is best for you. We'll give you the options, and as a based on a discussion, you can go ahead with the choice of treatment. And along with this, the fertility centers will have counselors who are going to counsel you on the detailed procedure aspect, the financial counseling, even emotional counseling for that matter. With all this, I think there's nothing to worry. Many of our patients I know try to procrastinate the decision of going and meeting your fertility specialist, maybe because of anxiety, because of a lot of uncertainty. Don't know, but like I said, better late than never. Always try to meet your fertility specialist as soon as possible if you are in doubt that you're not able to conceive naturally. So if you have further doubts regarding what we do in the first consultation, please feel free to message us. And if you like the video, and please like the video and subscribe to our channel for further informative videos.